to our English Online. Today we're going to talk about weather. There is a proverb, when two Englishmen meet together, they talk about the weather. У англійців є таке прислів'я, коли два англійці зустрічаються, вони говорять про погоду. So today we're going to talk about the weather, to learn some new words and to know a lot of new information. First of all, let's start from guessing game. Guess, what's in my bag? They are black, but they can be brown, white, pink, or even blue. They can be made of plastic, leather, or wool. When it is very cold outside, people put them on, but surgeons in the hospitals put them on every time when they perform surgery. When two men meet in the street, they take them off to shake hands. What are they? Write your answers on a separate sheet. One tip for you. They are very necessary nowadays. You should put them on if you want to prevent yourself from COVID-19. I am waiting for your answers. So, there is a question. What is the weather like? Or the short variant. What's the weather like? Запитання означає, яка погода? Let's revise some words. I'm going to show you the cards, and your task will be to answer as fast as you can. Let's start. What's the weather like? It's cold. What's the weather like? It's hot. What's the weather like? It's muddy. Брудно. What's the weather like? It's snowy. What's the weather like? It's rainy. What's the weather like? It's windy. What's the weather like? It's foggy. Туманно. What's the weather like? It's cloudy. What's the weather like? It's frosty. Морозно. What's the weather like? It's sunny. What's the weather like? It's warm. Warm. Тепло. Don't confuse two words. Warm. Тепло. Warm. Червячок. So you should pronounce these words correctly. Warm. Warm. Not cold, not hot. Warm. Червячок. So, now some new words. Be very attentive. Gale. Сильний штормовий вітер. Breeze. Легенький вітерець. Hail. Град. Mist. Легкий туман. So it can be a synonym to the word fog. Raindrop. Краплинка дощу. Snowflake. Сніжинка. Blazing sun. Палюче сонце або пекуче сонце. Boiling hot. Дуже жарко. When the temperature is 35-40 degrees above zero. Freezing cold. Дуже холодно. When the temperature is below zero. Blizzard. Хуртовина. Drizzle. Моросить. Так ми в українській мові говоримо про легенький дощ. Або це може означати ще курячий дощ, як то кажуть в народі. Sleet. Мокрий сніг. Shower. Злива. You know the other translation of this word. Shower. Take a shower, for example. Приймати душ. But today the topic is weather. That's why the translation is злива. Torrential rain. Проливний дощ. Pour. Лити. When we talk about the rain. Коли ми говоримо про дощ, це слово означає лити. A clap of thunder. Грім грому. A flash of lightning. Спалах блискавки. A gust of wind. Порив вітру. A ray of sunshine. Промінчик сонячного світла. A sheet of ice. Пласт льоду. Now, let's look how attentive you are. Which word is number 3? Right you are. It's hail. Град. Which word is number 15? Okay, pour. Лити. Which word is number 6? Snowflake. Okay. Which word is number 18? It's a phrase. A gust of wind. Порив вітру. Which phrase is number 7? Blazing sun. Палюче або пекуче сонце. Okay. So, the next task is matching. Look carefully at the screen. You have got here 4 words. Let's translate them. Hail – град. Breeze – легенький вітерець. Blizzard – хуртовина. Sleet – мокрий сніг. Also, you have got here 4 definitions. Let's match the number and the letter. For example, hail. Small balls of ice that fall like rain. Град. Це маленькі м'ячики льоду, які падають ніби дощ. Now, do the matching task in your copybooks. Please write the word and the definition. Okay, more words. Щаслив. Drizzle. A clap of thunder. Blazing sun. Gale. Shower. A gust of wind. Do the matching task in your copybooks too. I am waiting for your answers. Be careful. Okay, now let's talk a bit about word formation. You have got here the word rain. It can be a noun, it can be a verb. Слово rain може бути як іменником, так і дієсловом. So let's look at the first example. After 2 hours of heavy rain, the river overflowed its banks and left a large area of the town under water. Після 2 годин сильного дощу, pay attention to the phrase heavy rain, сильний дощ. Річка вийшла зі своїх берегів та залишила велику територію міста під водою. The next example. Rain as a verb. Дощ в значенні дієслова, тобто іде дощ. So, when rain is a verb, don't forget about grammatical forms. It is raining cats and dogs. It's an idiom. Це такий сталий вираз. Лє, як із відра, ми говоримо в українській мові. Англійці ж тлумачать це так. It is raining cats and dogs. Іде такий сильний дощ, що жоден господар не викине на вулицю своїх собачку та кота. It is raining, present continuous, that's why you can see here the verb to be and ing to the verb. It usually rains in autumn. Зазвичай ідуть дощі восени. Here we have got present simple. That's why the verb rain has got ending s. Okay, the next one, rainy, adjective. Дощовий, дощова, погода чи то день. It is a rainy day today. Сьогодні дощовий день. Okay. The next one, drizzle, легенький дощик. Drizzle, іде легенький дощик. So let's look at the examples. A light drizzle had started by the time we left. The rain isn't too bad. It's only drizzling. So the same with the word snow. Те саме із словом snow. Snow – сніг. Snow – іде сніг. Snowy – сніжний. Okay, now let's look at the text. You have got here some gaps. Your task will be to fill in the gaps with the necessary words. So, your new vocabulary. Ваше завданнячко вставити у текст слова відповідно до тієї лексики, яку ми щойно вивчили, write this text in your copybooks and I will check it. I'm touring Canada and the USA, and the weather is very varied. І погода дуже різноманітна. The day we got to Toronto, there was, so the first gap fill in number 12, you have got here the phrase, so we got soaked. The phrase get soaked, промокли до нитки. Then, the week after, we had light gap. Every day, which was a bit depressing. One day in Alberta, there was the size of golf balls, and following that we experienced a... But Canadians love snow, so they just keep going. Але канадці люблять сніг, тому ми ще продовжували свою мандрівку або свою подорож. When we flew down to Florida, where they had with temperatures reaching 40 degrees Celsius, so we swam a lot. Now we are in Chicago, and there is a strong blowing. They call this city the Windy City, and I can see why. Okay, and to relax a little bit and to revise our vocabulary material, the next task for you is rebus puzzles, rebуси. So, write your answers in your copybooks. Pay attention to the words, try to translate them, and learn this material. When you can see apostrophe after the picture, it means that the last letter is missing. Good luck and have fun. I'm waiting for your works. Bye-bye.